everyone. We're going to take a look at the 5.1a lesson, Vocabulary and Place Chart. Talk about place value for a few minutes here. Place value is just talking about the different like tens, hundreds, thousands, all of that we use to label different numbers. So like let's say I had 324 and 1600ths. These each have a place value. The 3 is in the hundreds place. The 2 is in the tens place. The 4 is in the ones place. The 1 is in the tenths place. And the 6 is in the hundredths place. Now you notice me emphasizing that. We'll talk about that a little bit more here in just a moment. Each one of these numbers, the 3, the 2, the 4, the 1, the 6, these are all digits. Digits are just any of the numbers from 0 to 9. When forming part of a number. So 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9 are the only singular digits that we have in our numerical system. But together, when we put them next to each other, they make all sorts of different numbers. So let's scoot on down here to this thing that looks like a table with a giant dot. This is just going to represent the different place value for us. So I'm going to use an example of a number here. We'll do 52107.9348. Now that one time that I said point, I'm not going to say point anymore. When I pronounce this from here on out, I'm going to use the word and, because and kind of forces me to then pronounce the place value after the decimal point. So let's go ahead and just start by looking only at the numbers before the decimal point. This is 52,107. We know from elementary school already that this is the units place or the ones place right here. Then the 0 is in the tens place. So this number has 7 ones, 0 tens, 100. So this is the hundreds place. 2,000, so this is the thousands place. And then the 5 is in the 10,000, so there's 50,000 or 5 10,000s. And these, again, like I said, are review of what you know already from elementary school. Now, if I start to look at the digits after the decimal, that's where I have to make sure I'm pronouncing this as and use correct place value. So we have 52,107 and now if I just looked with only the 9 after the decimal, it would be 9 tenths. Again, there's that THS. This is the tenths place. So similar to 10, but with the THS after it. If I extend that and look at the 9 and the 3 together after the decimal, this would be 52,107 and 93 hundredths. This place value is the hundredths. So spelled like 100, but then with the THS after the end. That's how I know it comes after the decimal. If I extend it one more place value, this would be 52,107 and 934 thousandths. So this is the thousandths. So again, spelled like 1,000, but with a THS at the end. And finally, if I show the entire number, I have 52,107 and 9,348 ten thousandths. So 10, and then again, spelled exactly like 10,000, but with that THS at the end. Thanks for watching.